No shit, bro. How's it going, man?
Everything good. What about you?
Chilling. Can I play some ukulele for you? Is that cool?
Yeah, of course.
Bet, bet,
Go
bet,
ahead.
bet.
Let's do it.
Hey, can I play some ukulele for you though? Is that cool?
Yes.
Bet, 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 bet. Listen. Yo, what's up, guys?
Oh, hi, bro. So nice.
What's happening, bro?
Nothing. I'm just recording a YouTube video.
Oh, wow. You out there? Hey.
Hey, hey, can I play some ukulele for you? Is that cool?
Yeah.
Bet.
Yeah. You oh. What's your
Oh yeah. Okay, so.
Hey. What's that? Is that a uke?
Yeah.
Oh, dude, that's sick. I broke my hand. I can't do a lot now.
Yo, play something. Play something.
You're putting me on the spot, dude.
Not bad. Not bad. Sounds good. Can I play something?
Sure, go for it.
All right.
Dude! That was great, dude.